Yo! What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video, another reaction to Albert, and the title of the song is My Heart Will Go On by Celine Dion. This song is very popular. And guys, before we start, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell button and for another reaction video. And guys, thank you for watching my reaction video to Albert, and the title is Braveheart. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get started. Reaction time! Hello to the people of Armenia. Guys, this is Eurovision Junior 2025. This song is very popular. Wow! Wow, he is very talented, and Albert is a very nice voice, and this song is very popular, guys. Wow, very nice voice. Ang ganda pakinggan, at gwapo siya. Very handsome. So very talented si Albert. So itong kanta na ito ay sikat na kanta, at ang gumawa ng song ay si Celine Dion, na very talented at hinahangaan sa buong mundo. So magandang kanta, ang ganda pakinggan. So nabibigyan niya ng hustisya yung kanta na panibagong version. So maganda pakinggan. Wow! Wow, I love this song. Ang ganda ng song na ito, at kahit sino yung kumakanta, maganda pakinggan. Kasi itong kanta na ito ay talagang famous at sikat sa buong mundo. Na kapag ito ay kinanta, ay talagang madadala yung damdamin mo. Ang sarap pakinggan. So sa kinakanta ni Albert ay talagang napakaganda pakinggan. Sorry guys, very noisy. Sounds is good. Wow! I like the effects, the stage background, ang ganda, lalong mas nagbibigay hustisya, nagbibigay ng ganda sa kanta, yung sa stage, yung mga background, at napakaganda ng boses ng kumakanta. Ang galing kumanta ni Albert. Grabe, napakaganda ng boses, ang ganda ng performance niya. Yung mga hurado ay talagang nakatingin lang sa kanya at humahanga. Ramdam ko yung galing sa pag-awit ni Albert. At masasabi ko, malayo mararating ni Albert. Malayo mararating itong bata na ito na talagang puno ng talento sa pag-awit. Albert, you are the best. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Wow, yeah! Albert, you are very talented. Wow, the judge. Standing ovation. Humahanga sa kanya, napakaganda ng boses. Albert, you are very talented. Your voice is very good. And malayo pa ang mararating mo dahil sa iyong talento, sa iyong pag-awit. Ayan. Suportahan natin guys. Albert from Armenia. And guys, this is Eurovision Junior 2025. Good job, Albert. Very nice performance. So guys, that's the video, and thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video.